Be on Facebook in a little while. Y'all don't mind, do you?
See you late, man.
So what? Oh, I might well get you in there too, man. You got no why? What you running for?
I'm gonna marry Miss Walter. I might turn me in.
I'm old married man. My wife don't mind me videos of good-looking women. Now, if I video some ugly, she might not like it.
Okay, Robert. I hear you, man. All right.
Hell, if it had to stop, start the hell anyway. And look, had a full helmet on. Couldn't even get no air up in there. That's how I learned. He had the mask on, ain't no air coming up there. That damn heart was. I know it's gonna be me. I'm glad you started on what to do. We'd have lost it if it hadn't been you. Cartoon him with that, they let him fall. I got another boy trying to give me your pin, all that stuff. I feel so bad. All that stuff I want to shoot.